Welcome to my other video. This is Sanabir Kafil, and today I'm going to talk about the 15 days plan that I have followed and accomplished 7.0 band in IELTS examination. In this 15 days preparatory plan, what you need to do? You just need to be more focused and motivated. These are the key features. If you don't have it, I don't think you would be able to do that. So you just need to keep yourself motivated, and you also need to do one more thing, that you have to omit all the unnecessary things or activities that you do for your own joy and pleasure, such as watching movies, dramas, and your shows, doing your favorite hobby in your spare time, because you don't have a spare time, right? So if you're motivated enough and you have decided that you would be able to do that, then you're at right place. Let me begin with my plan. What I have done is I have focused on only Cambridge book series 1 to 15, because someone told me that Cambridge follow the Cambridge books because they are the makers. They are the one who created or who made the test every time, so it's the best thing to follow. So I have completed 6, 7 and 8 book in first 3 days, and after that I have split it one book for 2 days. One book contained 4 tests, so I have done 2 tests in 1 day and the next 2 tests in 2 days. So in this way you would be able to complete almost 10 books in 12 days almost. So when you will do these books with your things, and especially one thing that I haven't share my things or material with anybody to test it out. I myself was the one who recheck it on my own after completing my test, and in my speaking test I was used to recording my voice and then re-listening it and finding the mistakes into it. So it was really a good plan, and apart from that I have also learned some good piece of vocabulary, phrasal verbs, collocations, and watched YouTube videos. Not all the videos contain the content that you need, but I have personally focused and followed 3 content creators, you can say that, and I would also recommend you to do that as well. So I have followed initially Yash Mitra. He is also a student who has done TOEFL, IELTS and GRE. He had made his videos on IELTS preparation, and that are excellent. So the second content creator that I have followed for IELTS preparation is Keith from English Speaking Success. It's his channel name. He's one of the excellent YouTuber that I have followed for preparing for my IELTS exam. He's an experienced and expert person who not only share his knowledge as a teacher, but also his way of talking is really jolly, funny, and you would definitely agree with it whenever you watch his videos. He's excellent. He's an excellent teacher or educator on IELTS, and I must recommend you to follow his videos to take tips and tricks and strategies that you could definitely implement during your IELTS exam. And the third YouTuber that I followed for IELTS preparation is Asya from Fast Track IELTS. She's also one of the expert and a student that have cleared her IELTS exam. She's an expert of IELTS because she took IELTS exam every year as a challenge and try to improve on it. So these are the 3 YouTubers that I have followed, and only stick to them, because following a lot of YouTubers for IELTS preparation may cause a lot of ambiguity and confusions that is not right when you have a limited period or time for your IELTS exam. So I must recommend you to follow these YouTubers and watch their videos, not every day, but you can just watch their 1 or 2 video in one day, and after skipping days as well. The basic thing is not to watch their videos. Basic thing is that the tips and tricks that they are suggesting in their videos, just try to remember them, and if possible write it down on a place, and then remember it whenever you will do your next practice exam. So this was my study plan for 15 days that I have followed, and alhamdulillah I have accomplished 7.0 band in IELTS examination. That is beyond my expectation, honestly, because uh, I thought my level was somewhere between 6.5 or 6 something. So whenever you would complete the set of Cambridge IELTS book, I would definitely say that your level of English would definitely be increased. If you are at level 6, you will be at 7, and if you are 7, you will be definitely jump to level 8 or 8.5 maybe. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the content, and I'll see you in my next video.